integrating external and internal social efforts to maximize business performance. So it sounds, once again, you're driving the whole business performance aspect of collaboration here. So what are the themes here?
So many organizations, when they start with social software in the enterprise, have focused either in one or two areas. They have either focused internally, which is more typical because there's more control, less risk to do that. So they've deployed social collaboration software within their organization, piloted it, begin to expand the deployment to more of the enterprise. Or in some cases, some organizations have started externally, usually through a marketing or through a sales effort to reach their customers and interact with customers using social collaboration software. What we're seeing now as these initial deployments begin to mature is that some organizations have both internal and external deployments, but in most cases they're not linked in any way. So the left hand isn't aware of what the right hand is doing, and we're not really forming a good knowledge loop that can understand what the external constituents want, take that knowledge, drive it back in and innovate and respond to it, and then push out new products and services to the organization through the knowledge chain. This session is very simply going to look at the linkages in between those two efforts. We are going to have some case studies of some enterprises that have made that linkage in between their external and internal efforts, and they're going to talk about how that has affected their business performance, and again, what the value proposition is, and what the return on investment of making those connections are.
And this, it seems like a lot of the big players are starting to recognize the potential for these types of softwares, and if they're not already on the market, they're rushing to get there, so they're not the last one in.
Absolutely. We've seen a number of vendors of solutions that now have both internal and external focus components. At some point, I wouldn't be surprised in this marketplace if they blend into one to another. And there is only an enterprise social software offering, not a specific flavor for internal use and a specific flavor for external use. We're not there. I think this is going to be one of the big developments of 2010 as we go along, is that we continue to see these two previously separate components merge
And learn from each other.
So this is a real cutting edge topic, and certainly hope you'll join us for it.